I'm Matt Pollard, and this is another Landmark Customer Spotlight. Today I'm here with Rochelle Stock. Rochelle, I have 3 questions I'd like to ask you about your experience with Landmark.
Okay.
So why did you choose Landmark Roofing?
Well, it came from word of mouth. I asked around who was a good roofer. Landmark's name came up many times and said they were priced fairly, and they are also local. They live in the community, and they also give back to the community. They donated and put a roof on span, which I thought was so nice. I thought that was really kind.
So Rochelle, why did you choose Landmark Roofing over all the other companies out there?
I never went any further. Once the
That's great.
representative came, I was sold. It was excellent. And Artie, the co-owner himself, came and checked my roof out and told me exactly what I needed. I was really impressed.
That's great, Rochelle. And one last question for you. What was your overall experience with Landmark Roofing?
Excellent. They were here right on time at 7 o'clock. They did a fine job. And through a woman's eye, they did the little touches that mean a lot. They painted around the flashing. They just did everything. And then Artie himself came back and checked and made sure that the job was done correctly. I am so happy that I chose Landmark. It was one of the best decisions I've ever made.
That's great. That's great. Once again, I'm Matt Pollard, and this is another Landmark Customer Spotlight.
Landmark Roofing is Anne Arundel County's preferred exterior remodeling company. Call today for a free estimate.